All right, guys, we have moved on over to Triple Double Stars. We are here at the Golden Nugget in West Wendover. And first time here, we're just kind of exploring the place a little bit. And I love Triple Double Diamond Stars. So we're gonna give it a shot, make sure it's super bright here for you guys, nice and loud. And we're gonna do, oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. So max spin is $75 on this one. Oh man, guys, look at the game rules. Oh Lord.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Wow. Yeah, at least I got my hit back.
That's why it's 150,000.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yikes. Yeah, at least I got my bet back. I have never seen one that has max bet set that high before, so I was not expecting that. Hey, look at that. I'll take that. Why couldn't that have happened on the $75 spin? Yeah. All right. We'll take it down to 200. We will cash out ahead here. Three more spins. Okay, bought us an extra spin there. All right, last spin. All right, got us an extra spin out of that. Oh, okay. Well, hey, we doubled up, even after that mistake. I'll take it. All right, we'll go play something else here. All right, guys, can't believe I'm trying this, but I'm going to try Wheel of Fortune $5 version, $2, or 2 credits to spin, so $10 to spin. Let's see what we can do. It's not a game I typically recommend playing, but sometimes you just got to try something new. So let's see what we can do. Looking for that spin right here. Got it. All right. That came quick, so let's see what we can hit.
You made it to the bonus.
Let's see a big one here. $400? All right.
That's what we like to see.
I'll take the 400.
That's a nice award.
All right, we'll do a couple backup spins, take it down to 450. Back to back. Oh, that looked like that was gonna land. All right, last spin. All right, let's cash out ahead here.
So,
Wheel of Fortune worked out for once, but it doesn't always. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right, check it out, guys. What I found at Club 93 Casino. Top Dollar Deluxe. Yes, one of my favorites. This is definitely a high on the volatility side on Top Dollar, but it can be a lot of fun. I just have a lot of fun playing this version. Anyway, these are quarters, so we're going to do 15 a spin to cover all 15 lines. You really want to do that on this one. And we need 3 of these on a pay line in order to get the bonus. And if we do, this thing will spin, and the bonus will either be 1, 2, or 3 times. And then we'll go into the bonus. So even though this one's high in volatility, if you do get into the bonus, the offers are much higher than normal versions of Top Dollar, and you'll see that if we get the bonus here, hopefully. Do it. All right, let's see what we're gonna get here. We got it 2 times. Okay, let's see what we got.
First offer. $2 200 credits.
Yeah, we're taking that.
Two. Roy, you're a winner.
See what I mean by higher up there? So that's pretty typical there. All right. That'd been a great offer with the ×3. Can you imagine? Come on. Yes. Come on, 3 this time. Uh-oh. Got the 1. That one's not so good.
First offer. 45 credits.
Terrible offer on this one. Try again.
Second offer. 100.
All right, I'm gonna have to take that one.
Roy, you're a winner.
Too bad it wasn't multiplied, but that's all right. It came pretty quick there. All right, let's keep going. I was about to say back-to-back would be amazing. God, I love this game. I know I'm geeking out a little bit, but you guys don't understand. I'm already a huge Top Dollar fan, but when you make one that's really exciting to play, I get even more excited. I think IGT should recreate this one in the Diamond RS cabinet. What do you guys think? Blocker. All right, bonus, let's do this thing. Show me you're still there. We gotta do it at least to get it 3 times, right? Do it! Oh my God, what a blocker! Oh my God, dude. Anything would have been amazing. Anything right here or right here. Ah, what a blocker. Don't you hate that? Could have been so good. I see you down there. Yeah, why couldn't you have been a 7 down there? 2 symbol tees. So you guys can see why this is high in volatility, right? Because even though we got those 2 good bonus rounds, we're already back to where we started. It's still a lot of fun though. Oh. Well, at least I got that line hit. All right, you're going quiet on me. There we go, 38. You're gonna block me again? Of course you are. Of course you are. Oh man, what happened to the bonus rounds? Was getting them good there for a minute. At least I got my money back. Do it. Oh, it had to be up there. Ah. Triple there would have been nice. Can't get it. Come on. Yes. Just in time, right? Now the 3X. All right, at least we got the 2 again.
First offer. 100
Now I'm gonna pass on this one.
Times 2.
It's gonna tell me to also. Yep, it says try again.
Second offer. 100 credits. Times 2.
All right, it's another try again.
Third offer.
Uh-oh.
65 credits. Times
Nah, I'm
2.
doing best play here.
Final offer. 95
wasn't
credits.
terrible.
Times 2. Boy, you're a winner.
190 credits. Puts us back in the game a little bit. Now let's get a back-to-back bonus here. Catch us back up. Uh-huh. Come on, it's bonus time. Let's do the bonus again. Get back up. Alright, we're back down to the wire here again. Is he gonna save us? Nope. Alright, I bought us one more spin. Let's do a Hail Mary here. Nope, not gonna get it. Alright, hey, I'll do a 50-cent bet. You never know, right? Nothing. Alright. Guys, I had a lot of fun. I know we didn't win on this one, but I still have fun playing this one. It's good to find it out in the wild. It is very difficult to find these days. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching. Check out these other videos and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more slot tips. It's always free. Visit ropethejackpot.com for free guides and a whole lot more. Catch you on the next episode.